Welcome to Unraveling the Past Perfect Continuous Tense. In this video, we embark on a linguistic journey to explore the intricacies of this fascinating aspect of English grammar. Let's dive into the essence of past perfect continuous tense and how it adds depth to our narratives. The past perfect continuous tense describes continuous or ongoing actions that were happening before another point in the past. It's formed by using had been, followed by the present participle, ing form, of the main verb. For example, she had been studying for hours when I called her, or they had been playing soccer before it started raining. To form the past perfect continuous tense, we use had been, followed by the present participle, ing form, of the main verb. This tense emphasizes the ongoing nature of the action, leading up to a specific point in the past. For instance, I had been working all day before I decided to take a break. Or, she had been practicing the piano for weeks before her recital. Now, let's practice using past perfect continuous tense in sentences to illustrate the continuous actions leading up to a point in the past. Try completing these sentences. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of past perfect continuous tense. Don't forget to subscribe for more language insights and tips. See you. Bye.